Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of the graphic card. AORUS RTX 2070 Xtreme 8G. After that, search your graphic card on this website. Then click on the product, and this is your graphic card. Click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7. The all operating system installations process same. So this is VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver you can say, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading, and when you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, after that click on download it, click on three dot, and this is download and just click on it. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.